Now take scale and draw vertical line very lightly. And then see, observe the screen. Whenever you are telling any story, okay, if you want to tell story with your artwork, remember the most portion should be on your left side. This is my left side. Okay, most portion should be on left side, and the expression part like eyes or eyebrows, one eye or half eye should be on left side. Okay, then that artwork, how it will look? It will look like it is talking with you. Okay, if you see comic books, if you open your comic books, if you observe any drawing, any character, place scale on that character and draw one line like this, vertical line in the middle of that character, and observe. Half eyes will be on the right side and one full eye will be on the left side. Okay, in that way the story will be can be understandable for viewers. Understood? Now we'll start drawing a star. Everyone draw star. You can draw any way, not no need to follow the same thing. Just way you need to draw a star. Draw eyes, as I said, one complete eye on the left side, and from here just draw one more eye like this. And small eyebrows. You can give any type of expression like sad, happy, surprised, any type of expression you can give it to the object. Okay. This type of arts will come under doodling. Topic called doodling. In that it will come as well storytelling. Okay. Now for drawing a fish, you need to draw half oval shape like this and join with curve lines. Same thing you need to draw here also down. Now draw small bubbles. To show bubbles, you just draw circles. One should be big, one should be small. Starfish, there will be this round structures will be there. Okay. Can add little more add-ons. Yes. Once drawing is finished, you just erase the vertical line. So we don't need vertical line now. If you want to add any flowers, small flowers, you can add like this. If you don't want to add, no need. For starfish, which color you want to do as your own. You can choose your own color and do it. Okay. For fish, starfish, you can do it your own color. Choose your own color and do it. Okay. So for that you need to use 6 number brush. Use 6 number brush. I'm doing this starfish with deep yellow color. You can do with orange also. First I'll start with yellow color. We'll move from light to medium and then we'll make it dark. Okay. So to get the lighter value, I am using here little bit medium to dark yellow. Okay. And I am using brush number 6. You can use even brush number 8. Round brush I am using. Except the eye part, around the eye part I am covering with the deep yellow, sorry, mid yellow. Eyes don't paint with the color. Okay. We will give it a black lining. like this. So let it dry. Now I'll do for greenery part where first I'll apply blue, sky blue. First you apply yellow, lemon yellow, lighter value. See, ocean color will be blue. Okay, according to that, you think and color the space objects. Now I am giving sky blue color here on the lemon yellow. When it get dry, it will turn to green. Okay, it is dark color and all. I'm pulling it down like this. Okay, same thing you need to do. Lemon yellow. In the ocean, there will be some green algae will be there, no? Green plants will be there inside the ocean. Algae plants. Yeah, I'm giving green. Now for the fish, I'll do with Indian yellow. Yes. So here I'll give some marine green, where half part of blue I'll mix it with one part of yellow. It will turn into marine green, or we can call it as bluish green. Okay, not complete green, bluish green. Blue should be more, yellow should be less. Like this. Now rest of the thing completely you need to do with sky blue color. For that I'll be taking brush number 12 and completely with sky blue. If you are using normal paper, then here it will get tear because will be using more water here in this while painting with blue. Always remember for blue colors, it will be having thick pigments. What happens that thick pigments won't sit on the normal papers, normal print papers, it won't sit. Because of that, it will get tear. Okay. So that only I'll suggest to use 300 GSM paper. Only monochrome color, only one color you need to use here completely. If I stop the here, no, what happens? It will get dry and blending won't happen. So when it is in wet condition, at that time only I should complete it. Okay, if I give time here, then it will get all sharp lines and the final output it will be look little odd. Okay, so when you start, no, you don't give too much gaps. Keep on moving your brush until the end. Okay, if not, it will add little bit odd look to your artwork. Not only today, even in future, if you do with any artworks, you remember this step. Okay, whenever you feel your artwork is looking little rough, then remember that you have moved your brush very slow. Okay, because of that time gap, that odd patches will be visible. Understand? You should not give any time gap here. Time is very important in watercolor painting. Now, for the rocks, I am doing the brown color. Direct brown I am using. I have taken brush number 1 for the rocks here. Like this. Okay. Now I'll move to the next step where I'll take black color. I'm using 1 number brush. If you don't have one or if you have two, you can use two also. And for the eyebrows, use black. And for the mouth, like this. Okay. And with the black only, I'm giving a little bit edge line completely. And for the circles inside the star, at one end you just give one small curve with black color like this. Okay. And for the fish, we take black and give black lining like this. To make it more cartoonish feeling, you need to use black. When we use black color, it will start looking like a cartoon thing. Okay, like imaginative things. Okay. Now for the bubbles, I'll be using black color to draw circles. I'm using one number brush. Okay. Even black we can use for this leaf structures. Now I'll take dark blue. Now half of the circle I'll fill with dark blue like this. If you observe the screen, you can get to know what I'm doing. Dark blue. I leave little bit space like this, and around that circle I'll do with dark blue. So it will look like water bubbles inside the ocean. When we see on the surface of the ocean, there will be white spot on the water bubble that is called highlight. But we are depicting it will be inside the ocean. So it should be, instead of white, it should be light blue color. So that only we are not using white color. Okay. I'll leave like that. So in the cartoonish way, this is the storytelling star, which shows the beauty of ocean. Okay.